In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll confidently bring an image from your phone's gallery into the app so you can start editing with AI. Make sure you're on a stable connection and that the app is up to date. This helps the upload go smoothly. Start by opening the Magnific AI app on your phone. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to grant access to your photos. Go ahead and allow it. This permission is required so the app can read images from your device. Once the app opens, take a moment to land on the main screen so the navigation bar is visible at the bottom. Next, tap AI Suite at the bottom of the screen. This area collects the core AI tools in one place, so you don't have to hunt around. If you don't immediately see it, look for the button in the bottom navigation bar. It's usually labeled clearly and brings you into a hub where all the editing options live. Now choose Edit with AI for this example. This tool is designed for quick enhancements, fixing small issues, or giving your image a more polished look. Selecting it ensures that when your file uploads, you'll be taken straight to the editing workspace, ready to make changes without extra navigation. When the editor opens, tap From Gallery. Your device's photo picker will appear, showing your recent images and albums. Browse to the file you want to work with. Common formats like JPG and PNG are great, and then tap the image to select it. If you have many photos, use your albums or search features to find the right one faster. After you tap the file, the app will load a preview. Give it a moment if the image is large. That's normal. You can quickly check that it's the correct photo, and if you picked the wrong one, use the back option to choose again. That's it. You've uploaded your file into Magnific AI Mobile, and you're ready to start editing with AI. Keep your device awake during uploads for the best experience.